I'm absolutely loving Farmacy Beauty's Honey Cloud Lightweight Barrier Moisturizer. This moisturizer is perfect for anyone looking for a non-greasy, yet effective hydrating solution. The formula is truly impressive, combining hyaluronic acid, PGA peptides, and ectoin to attract and lock in moisture, while honey, calendula, and chamomile work together to soothe irritation and strengthen the skin barrier. Lightweight and breathable, this moisturizer provides all-day moisture without feeling heavy or greasy on my skin. Soothing and calming, the combination of honey, calendula, and chamomile helps to calm irritation and reduce redness. Perfect for sensitive skin. I've found this moisturizer to be incredibly gentle and non-irritating, making it ideal for sensitive skin. I've been using Honey Cloud for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's hydration levels. My skin feels soft, supple, and calm, even during seasonal shifts when my skin tends to get dry and irritated. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with Farmacy Beauty's Honey Cloud Moisturizer. With a 4.5 out of 5 rating and a price point of $48, I believe it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, hydrating solution. I highly recommend it to anyone with normal, combo, oily, or sensitive skin.